Welcome back another review. Today in this video I like to share you guys Realme C11 full review. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. So let's start the video. Realme C11 comes with 6.5 inch IPS touch screen, 81.7% skin to body ratio, 720p into 1560 pixel. Realme C11 comes with 2GB RAM and 32GB ROM. C11 running chipset MediaTek Helio G35 and running latest Realme UI 1 with Android 10. Realme C11 comes with 5000 mAh battery with 10W charger. By the way, Realme C11, Redmi Note 9 and Realme 5 camera comparison coming very soon. So subscribe right now and press the bell icon. So let's move on the main video. Realme C11 comes with dual camera setup. First, 13 megapixel 2.2 aperture wide. Second, 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor. Realme C11 comes with single 5 megapixel 2.4 aperture 27mm wide selfie camera. So let's see some photo and video sample. Realme C11 main camera you can record 1080-30 fps video and 120 fps slow-mo video and time lapse. Now talk about the security. You can unlock your phone by face unlock and face unlock is pretty well. Okay, this is all about Realme C11 short review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Allah Hafiz.